Wales traditionally as passionate a country as South Africa when it comes to rugby, and we know, it wasn't that long ago we had a decade of closely fought battles. See, I know Wales's woes aren't necessarily your problem, but it does feel like World Rugby are desperate to see Wales get back to those levels. Would you agree?
Yeah, we love the boys. I'm good friends with Jack Morgan, who's the leader of the boys, and Tui Lake, the heart that they show, and obviously there's challenges. And the thing is, we have to face reality. A lot of the 100 caps, so many people have retired. We went through that in 2015. We had so many guys, the victors, and John, and all of them retired. And we went for 2 years when our stadiums were empty, nobody wanted to watch us. And then in 2018, things started building. So the Welsh public, you can see how many people come in. They love their rugby and they love their boys. They just gotta keep on backing them. And the boys that played it today, everybody's like, why are they playing this game? They're getting more experience, Opportunities will come, so people must just stick behind them. And I know how hard they fight, and I know they'll come back and get back to it. And there's 2 more years or 1 year before the World Cup. I have no doubt that things will turn around.
Always such a pleasure to speak to you. Diolch yn fawr.
Thank you. Thank you.